Now that television has become digital, many of us are left with televisions that became obsolete overnight. At least it seems so. We do not necessarily have to get rid of those gadgets by giving them away, throwing them in the trash, or hiding them in the junk room. With a little effort, these devices can be put back to work. Tip number 1. Buy online a Channel Selector box called TV Box, HDMI to audio and video. There are several names to it. What these things do is receive the signal from a modem or router and convert it into composite video, the signal required by old televisions. Some of these televisions have a composite audio and video input. If you own one of these, look for the RCA connectors with the colors yellow for video, white for left audio channel, and red right audio channel. And connect the corresponding cables of the Channel Selector box, which, by the way, comes with a remote control with several functions: channel change, volume control, and commercial killer, along with other features. If your television does not have RCA composite audio and video signal inputs, you can use an old VCR, either beta or VHS, to use it as a converter for the composite signal to a VHF signal on channel either 3 or 4. The VCR should be turned on and switched to VCR. Tip number 2. You can use your old TV hooked to a working VCR to watch your old recorder VHS tapes. Tip number 3. Some video games have RCA connectors outputs and work very well with these good old TVs. Of course, you can also use an old VCR as a modulator in case your TV does not have an input for RCA cables. Tip number 4. If you have a video camera around the house, you can use it as a surveillance equipment in conjunction with your old analog TV. Remember that normally those cameras are not weatherproof. If your television has no RCA cable input, you can use a VCR for converting to channel 4 and also be able to record segments of relevant scenes. I hope this video has been useful for you. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.